Hello everybody, my name is Aubrey de Vilde and today we'll be talking about how to make your job application stand out. Have you ever wondered what you can do to make sure that your application rises to the top and ends up in a recruiter's yes pile? I have some great tips and tricks to help you make that happen. Tip number 1, create clear and catchy documents. Make sure that a recruiter will immediately see the important information in your CV and cover letter. You can do this by keeping them short, cleanly formatted, and clearly written. Also, a pro tip is to include keywords from the job description in both documents so that the recruiter will immediately see the link between your experience and the position you're applying for. Tip number 2, highlight your certifications, training, and unique experiences. Make sure to show your accomplishments. Official certificates or technical knowledge are great to show both your skills and that you have continued improving yourself. Highlighting your unique experiences and accomplishments is also a great way to show the skills and achievements you have that you may not have received an official diploma for. Tip number 3, show your language fluency. The languages you speak can be a huge asset, especially in an international market like we have here in the Netherlands. So make sure to show which languages you can use at a professional level, and if you're learning Dutch, share that ambition with your potential employer as well, as that can help you stand out in the application process. Tip number 4, pay attention to your communication style. How you come across in your emails, calls, and interviews can make or break your application. So make sure to always use professional language, answer efficiently, preferably within 24 hours, and be flexible when necessary. Plus, keep your motivation and enthusiasm for the position alive and make sure to communicate that throughout the whole process. Tip number 5, make use of social media. Make sure that your LinkedIn profile is professional, up-to-date, and matches your CV. You can also make sure that your personal brand matches across all of your digital platforms, and then connect with potential employers on social media to learn more about them and be able to ask educated questions in an interview. In short, the best way for your application to stand out is to make sure that the recruiter can see your personality and skills at a glance. So go double check your CV and cover letter, update your socials, and practice professional communication so that you can make sure that your application stands out and that you end up in a position and at a company that is the best fit for you. Hope this helps. We'll see you next time.